everybody, John Dunlap here with another sneaker unboxing. And this pair of sneakers, it's not just your regular Nike Air Force One. It is, in my opinion, the best Air Force One for the entire year of 2020. A lot of you may disagree, but I would have to disagree with you guys if you do disagree with me. This is, as soon as I saw it, in my opinion, this is the best Air Force One skeleton that we have ever received. And just a little bit of history and background information behind the Halloween, celebratory or, celebration of the Air Force One. They have done this for the last 3 years. Either we got the white skeleton Air Force One first back in 2018, and then in 2019 we received either the white or the black one, but those were the first two original colorways, and they did feature glow-in-the-dark outsoles on those sneakers. And this pair of sneakers, the brilliant orange Nike Air Force One, absolutely beautiful pair of sneakers. Now when we get that paper back, man, whew, these sneakers are something else, man. These things, you cannot say this is not a beautiful and well-designed pair of sneakers here. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this other sneaker out of the box, and the box is pretty much, as you can see, your traditional Air Force One box, wolf gray, nothing special there. The paper is your standard Air Force One paper, but man, these kicks, goodness gracious, Nike knocked these out of the park. Now, for you that are a little unfamiliar with the Air Force One, it was originally designed as a basketball sneaker way back in the day, but now in the year of 2020, this is only used as a lifestyle sneaker, and arguably so the most iconic lifestyle sneaker of all time, especially all white Air Force Ones. But breaking down this orange, brilliant orange colorway that they did drop for Halloween 2020, as you can see, it does come with what appears to be a cream midsole and cream outsole, but this actually does glow in the dark. And of course, this sneaker will perform better once it is exposed to light, and then that light can charge it up, and you put it in the dark, it's going to glow absolutely beautifully, which we will show you that in just 1 second. But going back to the sneaker cam here, it does come with an all primarily brilliant orange upper. We do have orange laces, and we do have the Air Force One tag that does come there. It's kind of like a high gloss matte black, and we do have that famous glossy black skeleton footprint on the out portion of the sneaker and also on the inner portion of the sneaker. And then going back to the heel of the sneaker, we get Nike Air Force One on both sneakers. Now going to the tongues of the sneakers, we do get a different type of Nike branding here on the tongue, kind of like a skeleton, Nike branding on both tongues. Different and unique. Now the insoles of these sneakers, pretty unique. Let me see if I can get it out of here. It is the skeleton footprint. They might be glued in. Let me see if I can get them out. Now I can get this out. But yeah, that is a really cool detail that we do have there. We have the skeleton footprint on the bottom of the entire outsole. We might have a better close-up shot there on this camera. But guys, Nike absolutely did an amazing job on this collaboration. I was super excited to hit on the Nike Sneakers app for this sneaker. And right now, guys, we're going to hit, let me put this insole in, and we're going to hit the lights. And these should, the fact that we do have a light up there, we have an LED light right behind the camera. These outsole and the midsole should be charged up enough to where it should pop enough to where you can get a pretty decent look at how these sneakers do glow in the dark. So let me put one there and one here, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed that this does work. So I'll be back in 1 second. So as you can tell, guys, they are glowing in the dark very well. As you can see, this is the outsole of the sneakers. We have the midsoles and the inner portions of the sneakers. But like we mentioned, the lights that we do have here in the studio, they did charge them up pretty well. It does look like to where you do get a pretty good glow here because we have been recording for the last 6 minutes or so for this review. So they have had a little bit of time to charge up from a little bit of light. So if you are wearing these and you do take a black light to them or something like that, they are going to charge a little quicker if you do charge them up that way. But for me, guys, this is by far one of the top Air Force One collaborations that we have had for 2020, and I hope that this is a pattern that we continue to see from Nike in the future. I know they had some type of survey or something in a couple weeks back where they said, what colorways would you like to see for 2021 and 2022 of the Nike Air Force One Low Skeletons, and there was like a survey that they would like to see green, they would like to see purple, but I would love for them to start bringing each, different colorways each and every year. I think that would be something dope. It would be unique. And I would love to have more colors, but by far this orange colorway has been my favorite thus far. Now comment down below, have you picked up any of the Nike Air Force Ones? If so, which ones are your favorite? If you haven't, comment down below which one is your personal favorite. Now that's all for today's sneaker unboxing. We hope you enjoyed this one. We have other unboxings on the channel. Be sure to check those out if you do like this content. We're always making different types of videos here at Sneaker Huddle, so be sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. God bless each and every one of you. We hope you enjoyed today's video and have a great day.